2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass, fog lights, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.